Assalamualaikum everyone. As we have done the translation and explanation of Unit 2, that is patriotism, and I have already discussed glossary with all of you. So today we have to do the question answers of exercise. I will narrate the answers for you, and then you will write question and answers in your copies. Plus you will learn them by heart. तो आपने करना क्या है, मैं आपके सामने आंसर्स बोलूँगी, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स बोलूँगी, आप उसको लिखेंगे, देन आप उनको याद करेंगे अच्छे तरीके से. सो द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज़ हाउ विल यू डिफ़ाइन पेट्रियाटिज़म. आप हुब्बुल वतनी को कैसे डिफ़ाइन करेंगे, क्या तारीफ़ करेंगे. सो आंसर इज़ पेट्रियाटिज़म मीन्स लव ऑफ एंड डिवोशन टू वंस कंट्री. A patriot is ready to lose everything he has in support of his country. He is even ready to sacrifice his life for his country and nation. Question number 2. What are the qualities of a patriot? A patriot loves his country and nation and uses all his powers to protect their interest. He accepts the country's complete control over its affairs, sovereignty, unity, and honor as the best principles. He cannot make concessions to anyone on these principles. So question number 3. The question is, as a citizen of Pakistan, what are your duties towards your country? एक पाकिस्तान के शहरी होने के नाते आपकी क्या ड्यूटीज़ हैं, आपके क्या फ़राइज़ हैं आपके मुल्क से रिलेटेड. तो आई लीव दिस क्वेश्चन ऑन यू. आप लोग खुद इसका जवाब देंगे अपने मुताबिक जो आपको समझ में आता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज़ व्हाट मेक्स अस स्टे अलर्ट इन द वेक ऑफ फॉरेन इन्वेजन. हमें क्या चीज़ बाहर के हमलों से अलर्ट रखती है, किस चीज़ के तहत हम बाहर के हमलों से अलर्ट रहते हैं. एंड द आंसर इज़ द पैशन ऑफ पेट्रियाटिज़म मेक्स अस एक्टिव एंड केयरफुल. जो जज्बा है ना हुब्बुल वतनी का, वो हमें एक्टिव और हमें मुहतात रखता है. वी बिकम एक्टिव एंड केयरफुल व्हेन अदर कंट्रीज़ आर गोइंग टू अटैक अस. हम एक्टिव और केयरफुल हो जाते हैं जब दूसरा मुल्क हमें अटैक कर रहा होता है. देयर आर मैनी एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ पीपल sacrificing their lives for their country. Question number 5. Elaborate the given code of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. We must develop a sense of patriotism which galvanizes us all into one united and strong nation. So we have to explain this quotation in our own words, and the answer is the Quaid's words mean that we must have a strong feeling of love for and devotion to our country and nation. Patriotism means this feeling. It makes us all a united and strong nation because we live and work for common aims and purposes. So this is all about question answers of exercise. Now we have to move towards the questions of text that we call the additional questions. And question number 1 is you have to write these questions separately in a separate page while giving the heading of additional questions. Who offers sacrifice for the country? This question is from paragraph number 1. And the answer is a patriot offers sacrifice for the country. He holds his country dear to his heart. His principle is do or die in the active protection of his motherland. Now question number 2 is Who led the Muslims of the subcontinent in their struggle for a separate homeland? बरसगीर के मुसलमानों को अलग वतन देने के लिए किसने उनकी रहनुमाई की थी? And this question is from paragraph number 3, where we have discussed about Quaid-e-Azam, and the answer is the Quaid-e-Azam led the Muslims of the subcontinent in their struggle for a separate homeland. He struggled hard for years. He used all his abilities to fight the case of the Indian Muslims for an independent country. Question number 3. What is the highest military award of Pakistan? And the answer is Nishan-e-Haider is the highest military award in Pakistan for a martyr. So this is all about the question answer session. Please do write them in your copies, and then you should learn them, or if you find any question, any confusion, you can ask directly. So thank you very much. Next we will do a grammatical concept, or might possible a tense. Thank you.